I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites: a US-based Google account and a working VPN set to a US server. Once connected, open Voice. Google, Com and sign in. Make sure your account billing and recovery info are accurate. Next, choose a US area code when prompted for a new Google Voice number. This gives you a US caller ID. Finally, keep your Jamaican SIM active. Google may ask to verify via SMS or call, so be ready to receive that code. Once you pick a US Google Voice number, Google will require verification. Choose SMS or call to your Jamaican mobile and enter the code when it arrives. Make sure your VPN stays on a US server while completing verification to avoid geo-blocks. After verification, set call forwarding to your Jamaican line and test inbound calls. This ensures you'll get voice and SMS relays. Also, customize voicemail greeting and message transcription so you receive clear, usable messages in Jamaica. Finalize setup by testing outgoing calls and texts from both the app and web. Listen for audio quality and confirm SMS delivery. Make sure app notifications and microphone permissions are enabled so you don't miss calls. Once done, create forwarding rules and backup voicemail to email for reliability. If you hit blocks or verification fails, switch to a different US VPN server, clear cookies, or try another Google account. These steps typically resolve geolocation or verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.